Yes, a very good evening to everyone. Myself, Ms. Arpita, faculty of Bhat and Bhat Tutorials. I will be handling Navodaya, Sainik as well as RMS classes. Well, my dear students, let me start syllabus for your class. That is 6th grade signing. So the first chapter for your intelligence, that is analogy. Analogy, analogy. So students, it is very new chapter since you have not learnt in 4th standard, 3rd standard. No, okay. I'll teach you briefly what is analogy, what are the types of analogy, how to solve question and answers, and we solve more problems and write assignment on that and test. Okay. Yes. Today is the first class. Let me start with your first chapter for your intelligence, that is analogy. And student, it is applicable for all the two exams. Okay, so it is applicable for all the two exams, that is Sainik as well as RMS. Okay, Sainik as well as RMS. Okay, let me start today's class now. So before starting to the class, okay, listen to this video now. Everyone listen to this video. It is like beautiful. Listen to me that and I'll ask you a question on that. Listen to me. Yes. Listen to that properly. See ya. Let me have some refreshment. Carefully listen to that.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
Can you clap your hands?
Clap it.
Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands?
Do it. What that
Can
is.
you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say hello?
Say hello to everyone. First class.
Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet? Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet? Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say hello? Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet?
Yes. How was it? How was it? The first class introduction. All your cartoon friends are saying hello to you. How was it? How was that video? How was it? Nice. Okay. So students, that video for your refreshment. So the first chapter for your syllabus, that is analogy. Okay. The first chapter, that is analogy. ANALOGY. No need to write. Okay. No need to write anything. Just listen to me. I'll give a time or I'll tell. Okay. If anything is to write in your book, I'll tell. Until that, no need to write anything. Just listen to me. Okay. So students, analogy is a new concept for you. Okay. What is meant by analogy? What is the definition of it? See, analogy means similarity. Okay. Analogy means similarity. Similarity is nothing but same. Okay. The standard word for same is similarity. Analogy means similarity, that is having a IE. IE is nothing but that is. For higher standards, we use this. Okay. IE is nothing but that is. So, having similar features. Analogy means similarity. Similarity like the same. And having a similar features, same features. Okay, if you don't know to tell that word similar, you can tell same. Okay, analogy is nothing but analogy means similarity, that is having a similar features. Okay, let me give you the example. Listen to me. For example, college. Okay, college related to students. Okay, so students, keep in mind how they will give the question. This is called one relation. Okay, college is related to student. So this is the first relation. What is your work is to? Your work is to, you have to find out the relation between college and the students. Okay, so college and the student. So why college students will go to the college? Why? To get education. Okay, to get education or knowledge, anything. So college is related to student. In the same way, hospital is related to patient. See, in the college, education is given to the students. Okay, in the college, education is given to the college. So hospital gives, what hospital gives? Hospital gives treatment. This is how you will get questions on analogy. Okay, see, analogy is nothing but having a similar features. So students, they will be like that. So you have to find out the analogy. Okay, see, this is what they'll give the question. For example, see here, college. Okay, college, and then they'll give education. So they'll give colon and they'll give education. Okay, they'll give education. Here they will give education. In the same way, they will give hospital. They'll give they'll give education, and in the same way here they will give hospital. You have to find out. So you have to know the analogy for this. So college and education, what is that? You have to think. College, if I go to the college, I'll get the education. In the same way, if I go to the hospital, what I'll get? I'll get treatment. So you have to check in the option. Treatment, any option? Yes, that is your answer. So you have to find out the relation. See, if you find out the relation for the first pair, okay, college and education, that is the first pair. See, this is college and this is education. Okay, this is hospital and this is hospital and this is treatment. So you have to find out the relation for this one, college and education. So you have to think what they have given, college and education. So, oh, it is like college gives the education. So don't change the logic. See, this is question is about what it gives. So one more they have given is hospital. Don't change the logic. The question is about what it is giving. So hospital, what it gives injection, it gives medicine. So that all we'll call it as treatment. So if you have any option like treatment, you have to take that. This is what about your analogy. Is there any doubt in analogy now? Got an idea how to solve analogy? Is there any doubts? If you have any doubts, you can raise your hand. If you have any doubts, you can raise your hand. Okay, is there any doubts? Now can you able to hear me? No. See, if you have no doubts, you have to tell. No, ma'am. If you have any doubt, yes, ma'am, I have a doubt. Like you have to tell in the chat session. Is it fine with all? Shall we move on to the next one? Yes, everyone, I want reply from everyone. If you didn't understand, let me know. Okay, let me know. You have to raise your hand. If you raise your hand, I'll understand that you didn't understand. See, student, you should not hesitate to ask your doubts. For one, it's not for one time, two. I'll teach you nth time. Okay, if you ask 10 times also, I'm there to teach you. Okay, don't think that if I ask my doubt, ma'am will scold. No, I won't scold. I won't do anything. I won't give punishment. Okay, but I want you people to ask for doubt if you didn't understand. Okay, Aditya, what did you not understand? Let me know which one you didn't understand. The whole thing. Rest all. So listen to me. Analogy is nothing but Similarity. You have to concentrate on the class. It is not just sitting in front of phone or laptop. You have to listen to me what I am telling. Okay, I'll tell you very slowly. You have to understand. Okay, so students, listen to me. Analogy is nothing but same. Similarity. Similarity is nothing but same features. Okay, that is having a same features. Similar, don't get confused. The standard word for same, will call it as similar. Similarity is nothing but same. S-A-M-E, same. For example, my t-shirt color and somebody's colors are same. Like that, similarity is nothing but same. Okay. And then, so they will give two words. Okay. And you have to find out the logic for that. Say I have given example. E.g. E.g. is nothing but example. See, college, this is college and student. So you have to think what is the relationship between that college as well as students. Okay, you have to think that what is relation college and student. See, what is this college and student. See, so that you will get in the college they'll give education, or we'll go college, or for college we will go to get education. Like that, they will give hospital and they'll give dash. So here you got, now you have to get a logic for these two. What is the logic? That the logic is what it gives or what we will get. Okay, so college and education. So here hospital they will give treatment. That's all. So you should find the logic for the first pair. Okay, and you should not change that logic, and you have to apply for the another one. That's all. Did you understand now, everyone? Is there any doubts? Okay, no need to write. I'll tell what to write. Okay, just listen to me carefully. Okay. So student, see what are the types of analogy. So in analogy, it is classified broadly or it is divided. If anyone asks you how many types of analogy, you need to tell there are 3 types of analogy. If you can't see the screen, please leave the session and rejoin again first. If you have a network issues, it will be like that. You can't see the screen. Okay, so in that time what you have to do, no, you have to leave a session and you have to join first. When your network is not stable, it will be like that. Okay, so we'll come back. So students, analogy is divided into or classified into or types of analogy, one and the same. If someone asks you to write the classification of analogy or write the divisions of analogy or the types of analogy, the 3 questions are same. What are the types of analogy? Students, there are 3 types of analogy. How many types? There are 3 types of analogy. What are they? The first one is word analogy. W-O-R-D. Word analogy. The second one is number analogy. And the third one is alphabet analogy. So, there are 3 types of analogy. The first one is word analogy. The second one is number analogy. Third one is alphabet.